guys, welcome back to my channel, or if it's your first time visiting my channel, welcome. My name is Bella Popa and I am a 15-year-old travel blogger, opera singer, actress. We just got to Tuscany. We just had some lunch here at the hotel at their little restaurant, and I had really yummy vegetable soup. It was sort of a Tuscan style, which I really liked. It had beans and Tuscan kale and cabbage. Buongiorno! So today we are headed to Lucca. We spent the night right above Lucca. We're on a little hill, so it's about a 30-minute drive down to Lucca, and then we're going to spend the night there and explore the town and the cute little cobblestone streets. Yeah, we're going to head out right now. Walking around Lucca right now, walking around the little streets, cobblestone and cute little buildings. I love it so much, and all these little bakeries and restaurants. So we're walking to find a lunch spot right now, hopefully really good food, and I'll show you guys where we end up eating. Standing at a little table at a bar in Lucca, and then we just had a little snack at another restaurant, and then tonight we're going to dinner somewhere here in town. And Lucca is so beautiful. All these buildings are so pretty, and then tomorrow we're thinking to head to Siena at a hotel where Letters to Juliet was filmed, where they stayed in Tuscany. So that should be just gorgeous and more country than the city. I just woke up from a little nap. We went to lunch and then we came back because we were feeling a little tired, and we took a little nap, and then now we're gonna head to dinner, which is actually right there past this piazza. And a really cool thing in Tuscany is this dish, a traditional Tuscan soup that's beans, cabbage, kale, zucchini, and all that, so it's really yummy. So it's a very hearty bean-based soup, which is really nice. And I was just looking around our terrace at this amazing view we have, and I'm just feeling so grateful and blessed to be able to travel as much as my family and I do, and at almost 16 now, to have the experiences and the knowledge that I've gotten to learn. I'm just so blessed, and I feel so grateful for that, because I wouldn't be doing what I'm doing right now without going through all that and figuring out who I truly am and what I love doing. Like, traveling fills me with joy. I love every moment of it. I love being able to change the world for the better and inspire people. I know that anything's possible if you believe. I showed you guys we got some coffee with my dad this morning, and now we are in the outskirts of Siena, staying at a beautiful little villa with beautiful views of vineyards, and it's amazing out here. It's literally like under the Tuscan sun. So I can't wait to show you guys our property and our view, and I'm so excited! Just arrived at our property. It's Borgo Scorpetto Relay, and this is actually where they filmed some of Letters to Juliet. back there at one of those tables. So it's gorgeous, just so green and full of flowers, and it's very pretty. I love it so far. Hey guys, so we just checked into our villa and we are staying in this 3-bedroom villa right on property. So it's a separate building from the actual hotel, but we have a beautiful garden and chairs and a view. And apparently in the morning you can see wild boar and deer outside. So I'm perfectly fine with seeing them from behind glass. So that's going to be fun. And then in my room, I have a little kitchen, which makes me so happy because you guys know I love having my own food and like my snacks and stuff. So I have like my bananas and a squash and some beans. So I'm very happy. And my mom's doing a little video. So this property is Borgo Scoppetto Rile, and it's very pretty. They have such an amazing property, and we actually found out about this property because of Letters to Juliet. So they actually came to this property in the movie and stayed here for a while. So it's just beautiful and exactly what you imagine Tuscany to be like, with the rolling hills and the green and the vineyards. Hey guys, so we are in Siena. We just drove down from our little villa and we're gonna explore the town and grab some lunch, and then later this evening we're headed to Cortona, Tuscany, which is a town that we spent some time in before 8 years ago, yeah. Hey you guys, so we just arrived in Cortona, Tuscany, and we actually found the villa we stayed in 8 years ago. So we're checking in right now, and it's amazing, and just all the flashbacks of the memories we made on this property. It's beautiful. I'll give you guys a little tour later on after we check in. Just went to La Bucaccia and they're fully booked for all night and for a few days, but my dad actually got reservations for tomorrow night. So right now we're walking to a restaurant near the theater here called something Teatro, so we're gonna eat there. And we've actually eaten here before also 8 years ago. So we just got our food, and I ordered these oven roasted onions that are cooked in a pouch with herbs, and they are so good. And then these beans, so everything's local to this region. My dad has Chianina beef, which is also raised in the Chiana Valley here in Tuscany. And I got grilled veggies, beans, and then some potatoes, so I'm happy. Good morning. So it is our first morning here in Cortona. Right now we're exploring our villa property, checking out the grounds. We saw some horses this morning on our run, and later today we're going to go back to Cortona, the old town, and walk around the streets. And then tonight we're having dinner at that restaurant I told you guys about, the La Bucaccia. So yeah, we're checking out the property right now. So we're walking through their little olive grove right now, and the trees are just getting their olives in, and I'm not sure if these are going to be green forever. I think so. These are green olives, but if you can see, they're so little and so cute. a one-star Michelin restaurant just up the hill from our villa. It's called Il Falconeri, and it is very delicious. They shaved fresh black truffle that's local on top, and oh my gosh, it's amazing. So as I told you guys, we just had lunch at a one-star Michelin restaurant here in Tuscany. It was Il Falconeri, which is the falcon person, and they were totally accommodating to my gluten-free. Made such delicious dishes that I will remember for a long time, and you can't beat this view. So it was a great lunch experience, and now we're gonna go back to our villa. Good morning, you guys. So it is Tuesday morning here in Tuscany, and it is very cold out today. Yesterday it was freezing and it rained all day, and it was thunderstorming and all of that, so it was kind of fun. And then today we're actually headed to Rome. So we're gonna spend the night in Rome, go to the Colosseum, the Trevi Fountain, see all the beautiful spots, and then tomorrow we fly back to Los Angeles for a little bit. And I have so much beautiful content to get up for you guys and helpful tips, so I'm really excited to just get my head into work when we get home and get all that exciting stuff up. And right now we're just walking around the property one last time for a bit until we come back for the day, and just enjoying this beautiful view. It was amazing to come back after 8 years and stay here again. We fell in love differently with it this time. Just, it's truly, truly a special place in this world.